Our video tonight talks about final cleanup of our websites and how it's changed over the time. Each time that I've submitted an assignment from what I left off to where it started on the next assignment has changed considerably over the submissions. When we first started blocking in things, my website looked a lot like this. Of course, it had no color and other divisions, but this is basically where it was. From here, um, let's see, it evolved to a website that looked a lot like this. Still didn't have all of the pictures in and so forth. You can see my headings, my topics and subtopics were just kind of seen over here. I toyed with having the title left justified, and as it evolved, we found other ideas that helped clean it up. Get this to come up. Okay. You can see there's where the box started coming in, changed this so that it wasn't quite so dominant as the other part. Things started moving in and sliding around. In the next installment, instead of having the video boxes all up here together, decided to take them vertically and space them out, trying to match them up with the topic that they discussed. And then from here, we made it to let's see here, I'm losing everything, to basically to where I am today. What I did here is as I was cleaning it up and trying to make some final changes, I wanted to see how it really looked with some actual text. And I know that's kind of jumping ahead to the next assignment, or actually past the next assignment. But when you use the real things, it changed things quite a bit. The topics, subtopics were actually different. These topics all related to, actually there was 5 videos, and the best way to put those in, we're stacking them in order that they appear on the sheet. Of course, as you come down here, have the paragraphs coming down, the subheaders, along with getting some better spacing in here. The paragraph breaks. Still need to put this into a table or something so that it shows a little bit better, because the illustration here is how different styles of type, or uppercase, lowercase, and the spacing influences the meaning. Also, I'm using this article here to help me code the anchor points. We did some of that on our other video, but it didn't seem to be working. But The idea here, of course, is that when it's clicked here, that it goes to the next correct spot. This one's not hooked up, or it would be jumping down to here, which allows the viewer to say, hey, I want to see establishing legibility and readability, and then it could click on there and go down. So that's something that I'm cleaning up here. With the tutorials, these two were actual pictures. I just made these really quick using Paint, but they are attached and they go to the video that they're linked to. So we got that all working well. And the colors are all good. By putting the entire title here, that pulled dominance to the article, I feel, and then the pull quote over here comes from the first paragraph right in here, and so it's over here drawing attention. So somebody might come along here, and first my thought is that they'd see the pull quote and they'd say, hey, that's interesting. I want to see what else. What does this mean? You know, I see the words flashy, logo, headers, colors. Want to read more about this, and then they would go over here to the article. So that is how that's all coming together there. I went in and I did find some redundant code, some colors that didn't affect anything. I went through and took some of that out. Some of the padding really didn't do anything either. So I went through there and kind of cleaned some of those out. Still looking for more to adjust those. Then going over here to the index. Showing how it's tabbed out according to the section. Of course, here when I put in the actual paragraphs, there was a lot of paragraphs to get the spacing so it would appear correctly on the page. And then my extra videos right here. So that's basically it. We've gone from something, you know, much plainer, a picture that looked somewhat like this, a design that had color and still looked a lot like that, to this design here that I'll continue to massage and improve the best I can. So that's the presentation for tonight. Thanks.